everyone, this is Mindy with This Fairy Tale Life, and I'm doing a room tour at the Hilton Orlando Bonnet Creek Hotel near Walt Disney World. This is room 1101 on the 11th floor. It's a king bed room, and it's considered an upper level room. So coming into the room, right away there's the bathroom. It is all enclosed, no separate sink area, but look at this amazing counter space. And then over here there is a very roomy shower. So looking real nice. Right off the restroom there is a full-length mirror, and there is a closet. The complimentary robe to use while you're here during your stay. And then, like I said, this is a king bed room, so there's one bed, king bed, nightstand on each side. As you know, if you watch my videos, I'm all about the outlets by the bed. So there are two outlets attached to the lamps on each side of the bed. So that's super awesome. I approve. And then across from the bed, there is a credenza with 3 drawers. There's a mini fridge behind that door. There's some extra storage, coffee maker, ice bucket. As you can see, there's a huge TV. There is a little desk to get some work done. There's a chair and lamp, reading chair, ottoman, lamp over on this side. And then the sun is peeking through, but let me try to show you this amazing view that we have up here on the upper level, 11th floor. So down here you can see the pool. The pool here is really, really cool. There's a bit of a lazy river that goes through the pool area. So very cool. And as you can see beyond the pool, there's a golf course. So just a beautiful view overall. And then over here, you can see a little bit of Hollywood Studios, and the Swan and Dolphin Hotel stands out a little bit. And then if you really crane your neck around the corner, you can see Spaceship Earth from Epcot over there on the very, very right. So you kind of have a little bit of a park view, and I bet you can see some fireworks from here. I will find out tonight. So this is, again, the Hilton Orlando Bonnet Creek. Thanks so much for watching. This is Mindy with This Fairy Tale Life, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.